In today's highly competitive and dynamic business environment, technology can be the decisive factor between success and failure. Legacy systems became a bottleneck for us, especially for our global footprint and ever-expanding operations. A plethora of diverse solutions made it tricky to access and use the systems. Outdated applications were not only slow to respond and prone to errors, but also lacked vendor support. Multiple logins and a slow and difficult user interface only added to woes of the users. We were unable to integrate our external partners and hence have been unable to communicate as effectively as we could. And to top it all, in the age of cloud computing, these systems didn't quite make you feel like you were on cloud 9. What we needed was an integrated, all-in-one solution, a true cloud enterprise content management platform and suite of applications specifically built for a global pharmaceutical business. We needed a big shift from the traditional way we thought about IT resources. Some reasons why we looked out for a new solution: improved speed, enhanced scalability, increased productivity, boosted performance, better reliability, superior functionality and configurability, continuous innovation and product development, better customer support. Our modernized solution will empower our team with the latest technologies so that we can work more intelligently and efficiently. In line with our forward-thinking approach, we have not only rebranded ourselves with a new name and a new look, but also revitalized focus on our IT infrastructure. Viva Vault, a content management platform with the unique capability to manage both content and data. With Viva Vault, we will eliminate system, site, and country silos and streamline end-to-end processes across all GXP functions. Because all Vault applications are built on the same core platform, we gained additional efficiency and compliance through the streamlined flow of documents across regions and departments. Our content stays accessible, current, and in context across the entire development and commercial lifecycle. With this, we have a solution which is integrated, cloud-based, user-friendly, and aligned to plan. We also support the plan strategy in two key areas. L. Leveraging our global capabilities. Viva will allow us to consolidate multiple systems and bring separate processes together. Decreasing manual effort and increasing the scope, automation will bring to our processes. 3 times a year, Viva adds new functionality to the platform and enhances its reach into other areas of the business, such as clinical, commercial, medical, and safety, which will be able to support our business as it grows both in size and capability. Viva, with its intuitive and multilingual capabilities, will further leverage our connect with employees globally. A. Acquire and integrate. As a cloud-based platform, Viva Vault will allow us to accommodate new data and users from anywhere in the world, with no impact to our system's performance and minimal impact on our global processes. With Viva Vault, we will have a single platform for login and to do quality and regulatory work and will replace multiple legacy systems. It is device and platform agnostic, making it easy for people outside Advance to contribute to Advanced business needs. Viva Vault provides many benefits. Importantly, it provides better transparency and visibility on all processes. It has a great reporting and dashboard functionality. Viva is always current and constantly innovating. So where are we on this exciting journey? We are just days away from the first phase of Viva. Quality documents and regulatory submissions and archival will go live in January 2021, and the QMS system will be phased out. The second phase of the project will start in early 2021 and will cover processes related to quality like change controls, CAPAs, deviations and audit management, and regulatory information management like registrations, XEV MPD. With Viva, We are outpacing the pace of change. For each one of us, this is a new start, and that makes it the perfect time to join us.